Hello, hello, my friends. How are you? I just wanted to let you know something. I am coming back to Denmark. I am leading 3 days of personal branding workshops. There's a single day workshop for newbies, so any of the beginners, people who are just starting off in their whole branding process. I am holding a special 1 day workshop in Copenhagen on Thursday, the 21st of June. So if there's somebody that you know, or you want to do a little refresher, or maybe you're branding something new and you want to work with me directly, we are going to do it bootcamp style in 1 day. That is June 21st, Thursday in Copenhagen. And then I'm also leading an advanced 2 day workshop where we can really get into the nitty-gritty of how do you take your brand into the global marketplace. So this means we're also going to work on some of the emotional challenges that come up when you're really trying to step up and into this new expression of yourself. That fear of being seen, that fear of, Yantala. We are going to talk about that as well. I even have some special guests joining me. This is truly a global phenomenon now because we have a special guest coming in from the UK, Willow McIntosh, who happens to be an expert in high sensitivity people. So all of my empaths and light workers, for those of you that are really learning and looking to step up your game and really own your power and own your gifts as a very empathic, compassionate light worker, he's going to be leading some special sessions during our 2 day workshop where we will specifically be covering how to get past any of those fears and blocks around shame, fear of being seen. It's going to be incredibly powerful because he's got some magical techniques that can really clear up even some of that past generational stuff that you may have inherited. He'll also be working on day 1 of the branding workshop for the newbies. So definitely you don't want to miss that. My second special guest for this branding extravaganza in Copenhagen is Josh. And Josh Smith from We Fill Events is out of Australia. He is flying in for this special 2 day branding workshop to specifically teach you how to fill your events. So many of you are already finding that you've gotten that bug, you've been bit, you've been speaking on stages and you like it. And you're also realizing that you could host your own workshops, you could host your own seminars. Well, how do you fill those events? How do you really get people to come? He has been, with his partner Levi, helping people develop 6, 7, and close to 8-figure businesses with their speaking business. So I'm so excited to let you know that I'm going to be partnering with him on delivering some speaker training. I know some of you have been waiting a long time for it. Is coming. And I'm working with he and his team to really bring forth more training on how we can fill our events. The good news about Josh is that he's completely heart-centered. And his whole business, he and Levi really have created this whole business around helping heart-centered entrepreneurs. So no hype, no icky, slimy stuff, just the tactics and the techniques that are actually going to help you feel empowered as you step into your speaking business. So the 2 day advanced workshop for personal branding in Copenhagen will be Tuesday and Wednesday, June 26th and 27th. So mark your calendars. If you're flying in, I want to be able to hug you and connect with you and find out what's new with your brand. And if you've never met me before, well, it's going to be fabulous. We have a lot of fun really digging into the heart and the soul and the spirit of what you are here to manifest in the world. This is part of my life's mission. Truly, it is part of my dharma. And I don't say that lightly. This is what I consider the reason I'm on the planet. It is to help empower more light workers, to really activate you on your ascension to sharing more and more of your message in this global atmosphere so that we can partner together to really raise the level of consciousness, the vibration of love on this planet, and most importantly, to send out healing. I know that many of you have gifts of your own, whether it's your healing technique, your coaching modality, or just your presence of love and joy. So I want to work with you to take it up a couple of notches or several notches into the stratosphere. So please mark your calendars. I look forward to joining you around the summer solstice in Copenhagen. And if you are going to be coming in, you might also want to know that Helene Philipsen and I will also be hosting a 2-day real self-love experience. So if you want more about that, I'll also include the links. But especially for the branding, you need to be here. Join me in Copenhagen. Ciao!